I hope everybody's staying safe. So, today's concept. Today we're going to do a little bit of multiplication with matrices. Okay, last class we did adding and subtracting of matrices. Today we're doing what is called a scalar matrix. Okay, or scalar matrices if we're doing a bunch of them. So, today's concept is, again, scalar matrices. Scalar matrices. That's what we're doing today. Okay? Today, simple concept. If you got the hang of last class very well, today's concept will be a piece of cake. If you didn't really understand 100% last class, it's okay. Today's concept's a little different in a way that this time you're not dealing with two matrices, you're only dealing with one and a whole number. So, let's start with our example for today. Our example for today is, if I have two our matrices, we're going to do a 2 by 2. Okay? So we're going to do 3, -2, 0, and 1. Okay, simple numbers, small numbers. The goal of today's concept is, again, we're going to simplify the matrices. The way we're going to do it is, think of distribution. When you do distribution property, you distribute the number on the outside of the parentheses with the numbers on the inside of the parentheses. The same way with matrices, okay? You do the 2 times 3. You do the 2 times -2, 2 times 0, and then 2 times 1. So you're going to multiply the 2 to all the numbers on the inside. So our new matrices will look like all right, you have 2 times 3, which is 2 times 3 is 6. So remember, wherever the 3 is, that's where you're going to put your new answer. So we have 6. Then we have 2 times -2. If you guys remember, the rule for multiplying a positive and a negative is a negative. So 2 times 2 is -4. Then we have 2 times 0, which 2 times 0, or 2 times anything that's 0 is just 0. And then finally, we get 2 times 1. 2 times 1, which is just itself, right? 19 times 1 is just itself. So 2. And that's it. We're done. Notice how it looked a little complicated, but it really isn't. Okay? Remember, all you have to do is think of distribution. When you distribute the number on the outside times the numbers on the inside of the parentheses. All right. So here's your assignment for today. All right, guys. So you will have 2 problems to work out. Remember, once you're done working them out, send in your answers. So problem number 1 is 3, our little matrices. We have a -2, a 1, a 4, and a 0. Okay? That's your first one. Your second one is -2, -4, 2, 0, and 5. Okay? Simple numbers, small numbers. Okay? So make sure you're done. Once you're done watching the video, you send me your answers. Okay? And I'll be waiting to hear from you.